Have you ever felt sick but could not explain it in English?
You knew the pain but not the words to describe it.
Today we solve that problem once and for all.
Welcome to Daily English Learning. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ethan. This episode could actually help save your life.
That is not an exaggeration. Medical English is that important.
Knowing the right words at the right moment matters enormously.
Today we cover everything, symptoms, questions, and more.
By the end, you will feel confident at any doctor's appointment.
So let us get started. This one is very important.
Sophia, why do people struggle with medical English specifically?
Because medical vocabulary is very different from daily English.
Words like inflammation, prescription, diagnosis, they sound scary.
And when you're already sick, learning new words feels harder.
You're nervous, you're uncomfortable, and you feel vulnerable.
So people end up pointing at their body instead of explaining.
Where they use very simple words that do not give enough information.
Like saying my body hurts instead of being specific.
And that can actually lead to wrong treatment sometimes.
Exactly. Clear communication with your doctor is very critical.
So today we give you the exact language you need always. Let us start with the very basics, describing pain.
This is the most important skill in medical English.
Doctors always ask, where does it hurt and how does it hurt?
So you need two things, location and type of pain.
Location is easy. You point and say the body part name.
My head, my chest, my stomach, my lower back.
My left shoulder, my right knee, my throat, my ear.
But the type of pain is where most people struggle.
So let us learn the different types of pain in English.
The first type, a sharp pain, like a knife cutting you.
You say, I have a sharp pain in my lower back.
The second type, a dull pain, a constant low-level ache.
You say, I have a dull ache in my left shoulder.
The third type, a throbbing pain. It pulses and beats.
Like a headache that throbs with your heartbeat.
You say, I have a throbbing pain behind my eyes.
The fourth type, a burning pain, like fire on your skin.
You say, I feel a burning sensation in my chest.
The fifth type, a shooting pain. It moves through your body.
You say, I get a shooting pain down my left leg.
The sixth type, a stabbing pain, sudden and very intense.
You say, I feel a stabbing pain when I take a deep breath.
These 6 types cover almost every kind of pain you can feel.
Learn these and your doctor will understand you immediately.
Now let's talk about describing other symptoms beyond pain.
Because sometimes the problem is not just about pain.
You might have a fever. Say, I've had a fever since yesterday.
You might feel nauseous. Say, I feel nauseous after every meal.
You might be dizzy. Say, I feel dizzy when I stand up quickly.
You might have a cough. Say, I've had a dry cough for a week.
Or, I have a productive cough with yellow mucus coming up.
You might have fatigue. Say, I feel extremely tired all the time.
Even after sleeping 8 hours, I wake up feeling exhausted.
You might have swelling. Say, my ankle has been swollen for 2 days.
You might have a rash. Say, I noticed a red rash on my arm yesterday.
You might have shortness of breath. Say, I get breathless walking upstairs.
All of these are very common symptoms with clear English descriptions.
Practice saying each one until it feels natural and easy.
Now let us talk about questions your doctor will ask you.
Being ready for these questions will make you feel very confident.
The first question, where exactly does it hurt?
Answer, I have pain in my lower right abdomen area.
The second question, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
I would say about a 7. It is quite uncomfortable but manageable.
The third question, does anything make it better or worse?
Answer, it gets worse after eating and better when I rest.
The fourth question, do you have any other symptoms?
Answer, yes, I also feel nauseous and have a slight fever.
The fifth question, are you taking any medications currently?
Answer, yes, I take blood pressure medication every morning.
Or, no, I am not taking any medications at the moment. The sixth question, do you have any allergies to medication?
Answer, yes, I'm allergic to penicillin, or no, none that I know of.
The seventh question, has this happened to you before?
Answer, yes, I had something similar about 6 months ago.
Or, no, this is the first time I have experienced this.
Being ready for these 7 questions makes any appointment easier.
Now let us do a full example doctor conversation together.
Great. I will play the doctor this time. You be the patient.
Perfect. Let us begin.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I have been having some chest pain since yesterday.
I see. Can you describe the pain for me?
It is a sharp pain on the left side of my chest. It gets worse when I take a deep breath or move quickly.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the pain?
I would say about a 7. It is quite uncomfortable but manageable.
How long have you been experiencing this exactly?
It started yesterday evening around 6 o'clock. It was mild at first, but it has gotten stronger since then.
Do you have any other symptoms along with the chest pain?
Yes, I also feel slightly short of breath when I walk fast, and I've been feeling more tired than usual since yesterday.
Are you currently taking any medications or have any allergies?
I take a daily vitamin, but no prescription medications currently. And I'm allergic to aspirin. It gives me a severe skin reaction.
Thank you for telling me that. That is very important information. Has anything like this happened to you before?
No, doctor. This is the first time I have felt this kind of pain.
All right, I'm going to examine you and run a few tests.
Of course, doctor. Whatever you think is necessary.
And scene. That was an excellent example, Sophia.
Did you notice how much information she gave the doctor?
Location, type of pain, duration, other symptoms, medications, allergies.
All of it delivered calmly and clearly in simple English.
That kind of communication leads to faster and better treatment always.
Now, let us talk about questions you should ask your doctor.
Many patients only answer questions. They never ask any.
But asking questions is your right as a patient always.
The first question to ask, what do you think is causing this?
This helps you understand your condition better from the start.
The second question, what tests do I need?
And why do I need these specific tests, doctor?
The third question, how long will it take to get better?
This helps you plan your work and daily life accordingly.
The fourth question, what medication are you prescribing me?
And what are the possible side effects I should know about?
The fifth question, are there any foods or activities I should avoid?
This is very important for your recovery process at home.
The sixth question, when should I come back to see you?
Or at what point should I go to the emergency room?
The seventh question, is there anything else I should watch for?
Any warning signs that would mean my condition is getting worse.
These 7 questions make you an informed and empowered patient.
Your health is the most important thing you have in this life. And now you have the English to protect and communicate it. Listeners, we hope today's episode truly helps you one day.
Practice these words and phrases before you actually need them.
Say them out loud, write them down, record yourself speaking.
The more you practice now, the more confident you'll be later.
Share this episode with someone who travels or lives abroad.
It could genuinely help them in a difficult moment someday.
Drop the word doctor in the comments right now.
We want to see who's ready to speak English with confidence.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for spending this time learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning and keep growing always.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay healthy and keep speaking English with confidence.